Hey, thanks for tuning in. Hot Off Wheels here. Hope you're doing well. So in tonight's episode, we're going to go over what you can be looking for at your local Walmart stores. A lot of these things maybe already dropping at your store. Some of them maybe dropping soon. So I scored this box right here, right off the pallet, local Walmart. And this is 2 complete sets of your Boulevard set. And it may not be necessarily the latest. However, it's one of the newest Boulevard sets to release. So definitely be hitting up your stores if you're interested in scoring the latest Boulevard set. You've got the 64 Buick Riviera, pretty nice. The Mazda Cosmo Sport, definitely looks like almost like a Goodyear theme to it. The WRX STI. And probably the 2 that I think that are going to be hit up the hardest, that'll be hardest to come by probably, will be the Volkswagen Drag Bus with the moon eyes right there. I think that'll be one that's going to be popular. And then, of course, your 63 Chevy Nova, the little too shorty gasser there. I think these 2 right here, the moon eyes and this Nova, will be probably really hard to come by at first. Eventually, they could be peg warmers, but for now, I believe they're going to be ones that are going to be highly sought after. So I'll be hitting up your stores. Again, hopefully you're able to snag these when they drop. Otherwise, you might be struggling to complete the set, but hopefully you're able to find these soon at your Walmart. So that's your case code right there if you're looking, GJT68-956E. So definitely be hitting up that little 10-piece box right off the pallet. This set right here has been out for a while. I may have even shown you this video already, or shown you these on maybe a peg hunt. However, it is your factory 500 set. This one's probably been out at least a solid maybe 3 to 4 weeks in my area. Some of the stores have these as peg warmers already, and then some stores are still struggling to kind of keep them on the pegs. But definitely, I think at $2 they are kind of a little bit pricey. I believe that's what they were, at least last time I saw them. I don't know if I doubt they've marked them down, but I would say if you're not sure about the $2 price point, just a hunch, maybe give it 6 months to a year or something. You might see these at a Dollar Tree, like some of the other Walmart exclusives have mysteriously shown up at Dollar Trees. So I predict maybe these might eventually, but I can't say for certain, but definitely a nice set for sure. So let me know your thoughts on the factory 500 set, little 10-piece or 10 car set there. Let's see, this one right here I actually ordered online, but you can actually be finding this one in store probably soon, although I haven't seen it drop yet. However, I would say Walmart or Target will be dropping this, and then it's your 4-piece team transport set. So be looking at your stores to be dropping these probably soon. And here it is, the little Lancia or Lancia Rally 037 Euro hauler. This one's got some meat, it's got some weight to it. You'll see what I'm talking about when you find this in the store if you haven't already seen these. It's got a little bit of weight, but I'm definitely excited about this one. I'll be looking to score another one to open up on the channel. It's got that Gulf theme to it. Definitely excited about that, and definitely a cool one right there. This is another one I'll be looking for as well to open up. That's the Nissan Skyline GTR, a little Advan Yokohama theme. Definitely nice. So hopefully you're able to find these soon. I haven't seen these drop yet at any stores nearby, but they'll be dropping soon, I predict. Little Mercury Comet Cyclone, little Ford hauler, pretty sweet. I like the wheels on that hauler. So yeah, definitely nice. And of course you get it's a 3-car release or 3 transport release. So if there's 4 to a box, so you get an additional one of these right here, one of the Cyclones. So you get 2 of the Comet Cyclones in the case. So there you have it. Now I've got one more thing I wanted to show you I found tonight. Now this isn't from Walmart, of course. I found this at Target, but I thought it was pretty cool to find that if your Targets carry different die-casts other than Hot Wheels and Matchbox, you might be wanting to keep an eye out for a little majorette 5-car Porsche set right here. Again, not a lot of the targets near me carry other die casts like majorettes and things but there's a few, or one, or at least one I know of for sure. They carry different die casts like Johnny Lightnings and things like that. So definitely exciting to come across this little Porsche set. I'm a bit of a Porsche fan myself, so I was super excited when I came across that. So let me know your thoughts on the Porsches right here. Two of them are exclusives. You got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and then the Porsche 934. So let me know your thoughts, of course. I might be looking to score another set to open. You know how I am. I like to open one and keep one in the pack. So I'll definitely be keeping my eyes peeled for a second set, but thought that was pretty nice. So let me know your thoughts. And if you're looking for the UPC, here we go. There's the UPC, if that helps anybody out there to, you know, find out when your store may have it, if they have it, or who carries it. So definitely pretty cool. So nice little Porsche diorama set. So, but yeah, that's it for the channel tonight. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Oh, and one last set I think I forgot to show you, which is the Muppet set. Sorry, I think left that one right off the list. But yeah, be looking at your stores to be dropping those if they haven't already. The ones I think everybody will be going for in this set, it will be the Miss Piggy custom Volkswagen Beetle, and probably the Fozzie 32 Ford right there. Or the Gonzo, I'm sorry, Gonzo 32 Ford. Be looking for those. Of course, if you're interested in the whole set, I'll post those up, but definitely be hitting your stores out. And there's the case code right there for the Muppet set, so it's pretty sweet. But just forgot to show that to you. So, all right, that's it for this video. Until next time, take care.